Hello and welcome to Learn English with Michael. So, today's lesson is Top 100 English Words, Part 5. So we will go over 10 words and see how we can use those words in a sentence. So, the first word is there. So how would we use there in a sentence? Can you wait over there, please? Can you wait over there, please? The next word is use. So how would we use the word use in a sentence? Example, please could I use your phone? Please could I use your phone? The next word is an. So how do we use an in a sentence? Example, I saw an elephant today. I saw an elephant today. Before I go to the next word, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so it helps me grow. Thank you. The next word is each. Let's see how we can use each in a sentence. Each of the children received a present. Each of the children received a present. The next word is which. So let's see how we can use which in a sentence. I don't know which way to go. I don't know which way to go. And the next word is she. So let's see how we can use she in a sentence. Where did she go? Where did she go? And the next word is do. Let's see how we use do in a sentence. Example, do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? The next word is how. Let's look at how we use the word how. How do you get there? How do you get there? And the next word is there. So let's see how we use there in the sentence. Their coats are hanging up. Their coats are hanging up. And the last word for today is if. Let's see how we use if in a sentence. Phone me if you can't come. Phone me if you can't come. Well, that's the end of the lesson. I hope you learnt something. You can play it back a number of times and check your learning. And also, you can try using the words and make your own sentence. So, if you've enjoyed the lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to help me produce more lesson videos for you. Thanks and bye for now.